Okay, good day and welcome to this mobile video editing crash course. My name is Bake Spurgeon and I'll be taking you guys through InShot and how to edit with InShot and do what you don't even believe InShot was able to do. Basically, I'm going to break it down InShot and actually blow your mind with this application. So let's go, because it's going to be a really long one, but trust me, it's going to be very worth it. Even without a system, you're going to know how to do a lot with this. So as I said, so first thing first, we open the app InShot. Now when you open InShot, you have these three options. You see video, photo and collage. That's just to let you know that InShot also you can also edit your photos with InShot and also create photo collages, but it's mainly known for its video editing properties. So that's what we're going to click on. So you click on video. So when you click on video, you see this, and if you look below, you see 165 drafts. Those are the other projects I've worked on using InShot. So I've actually edited 165 things using InShot. That's pretty much. That's just to say that I do a lot with InShot. Most of my videos, people don't even know I do it with my phone, but then I do it with my phone, and that's what I want to be teaching you guys today. So because you want to go into the video editing interface for the first time, you have to create a new project. So you click on new, and InShot takes you to your gallery. Now you've noticed at the top part of this interface you see video, photo and all. Now it just means that this part is for the videos. It's comprised of all your videos, and then if you go to photo, it comprises of all your photos, and then all just is your photos and then your videos all put together as it is arranged in your gallery. So it depends on you. You can make, let's say you want to make a slideshow now of pictures. You go to your photo and select everything and select the photos you want. But then let's say you want to edit a video, and then you go to video. So you can also mix it. You can pick some videos from here, go to photo and pick some. So these are you actually select it. So let's just select a few videos that we'll be editing with for this course. I'll be using as a trial, or rather not a trial, but we'll be using as we go through this course. Select this, let's select this, let's select this, and let's select this. Perhaps let's also select a picture, so I'll show you that you can actually put a picture in between videos too. So if you go to photo and then just select any photo, like okay, this is my logo for my YouTube channel. So let's select this and then add it up. So let's go back to video. Now if you look at the top part of any of these boxes, you see an icon that looks like a scissors. Now they call that a pre-cut. It's a pre-cut option. Now this means that, let's say this video of 52 seconds, as you can see down there, they showed you the time 52 seconds. Let's say you want to import only 30 seconds of it. You can pre-cut it before adding it into the editor, so you don't have to start cutting it while it's already inside the editor. So you can do that for anything, any video rather, that you are importing into your editor. So let me just show you how that works. So let's just click on the icon here, the pre-cut icon of this, and it opens up like this. Now if you have done anything like cropping or trimming on your phone, you'll notice these two bars. They're always bars to like bring it in. Even on Instagram, we are posting on Instagram and you to trim your videos, there are always these two bars. So the same thing right here. If you look at this bottom right part, you can see a total of 51.7 that are telling the total amount of seconds that it's in now. So if you move these bars in from the left and from the right, they then tell you now that it's 23 seconds in total. So let's just say this is the part we want to be added to the editor, and then we now click this good icon, and then you notice they now show you right here, it turns green, telling you that okay, you have pre-cut this one. You actually did a pre-cut on this one. If you want to do the same for every other clip, you can do it, or if you are satisfied with the clips and you want to import everything that way, then you go down here and you click on the good icon. And then you just wait for it to load. So now we are into the editor, and this is what you see at first. If you are new to editing, like you've never edited anything before and you've never looked at an editor before, this might look strange to you. It might look confusing, but trust me, it's easier than it looks. So I'll just be breaking down this interface and what you're seeing here. This top part, this black screen right now, is the preview box. Is where you see whatever it is you're editing, your clips. If you add any change to your clips, you have to preview it through this box before you export it, so you know how it looks like. It's showing black now for a reason. Don't be confused, I'm going to explain everything. So right now it's showing black, but that's the preview box. So coming down, you then see the tools bar. I'm going to move the tools bar so you know what I'm talking about. This is the tools bar now. If for every software or app about editing, mostly editing, you must have a toolbar, because there are these tools that will help you carry out the editing. Addition of text, addition of sound, that's part of the tools that you're going to be using for this course. So below the tools bar is the timeline. Now if you look at the preview box, now I'm going to move the timeline. So if you look at the preview box now, you are now seeing something. So it was black before because the cursor, which is this white line over here, was at the beginning of the video, and the beginning of the video was pitch black. That's why you couldn't see anything. So once I just scroll through from the left to the right, you then began to see the video. And as I scroll through, it shows me on the preview box exactly where that cursor is on the timeline. So wherever that cursor is, that's what you're going to see on the preview box. So it's not that complicated so far. Yeah, well, that's what you're going to see on the preview box. So going forward, if you look at the bottom left part of your screen, you're going to see a plus sign. Now in case you want to add a new video or a new photo other than the ones you have already added, that's what you click on, and then it take you back to your gallery, and then you're going to just go through the same process we went through of adding something into the editing space. So while here is the play button, if you click on it, it allows you to play your video. These two arrows here is for undo and redo. If you are used to probably Microsoft Word, know in the system Ctrl Z is to undo, and then Ctrl Y is to redo. But we don't have a keyboard here, so since it's a phone, they put these arrows for us. So the arrow going backward is to undo, while the one going forward is to redo. So if you did something and then you didn't like it and then you want to go back to how it was before, you click on the redo, you click on the undo, and then let's say you then want it again and you want to see how it was, like what you initially put, you then click on the redo. So as we are going through this course, I'm going to be touching a lot of this thing. This is just the introductory part. I'm just trying to like touch everywhere and just show you to introduce this new interface to you. So if you see there's an icon here which will help you change this to a full screen. Let's say you want to watch your work you have edited to in a full screen before you export it. You click on this and then it changes to something like this. So you can now watch your work in a full screen. So let's click on this other icon here to change this back to the thing. So that's basically the introductory part of this course, INSHOT. Right now we'll be going into the first outline, which is basic cutting and joining.